Hi, Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations with the Bella Rose quilts. So I'm going to have to actually grab my camera and take a picture because this is way too heavy for me to pick up. It took me a bit just to get it upstairs here into the sewing room. Hold on one second. Alrighty, there is the box. And I'm going to open it. So here's what it looks like on the inside. Like that. And now I'm going to flip the camera around. I pulled out the first gift, and it says gift number 1. And this is all of the fabrics stacked up. So I am going to move this box to the left, and we're going to take a look at this fabric. If you have purchased this box and you don't want to see this quilt, then you might as well shut this off right now. And I'm going to show you some of the fabric. And it has glitter because I see glitter on this one that I opened up. So here is some really pretty striped fabric. And here is the white. Now, it's not telling me how much. Here's a little brown tucked in there. This is a cream with green on it. And here is strips. So let me show one at a time. Here's one. That's got all the names of the reindeer. Oh, this next one's pretty. I haven't seen this fabric yet. Look at that. Ooh. And those little, looks like cardinals thrown in there flying. That really sets it off. And then we have the truck fabric. Let me see if it's up to, nope, it's not upside down. We have some gifts. I call this gifts fabric. Haven't seen this fabric either. Here's some poinsettias. There's a lot of new fabrics in here I haven't seen. Here's some trees I haven't seen. Let's turn it this way. And I don't know the line. It didn't say anything about it. Here we go. Here's some cute little lambs. And we have some snowflakes. Here's some little reindeers again. And then here's some snowflakes on red. I'm going to push that over a little bit. And it's like every one has a fold in it. So this has a fold on the left, and then the other piece, my next piece is going to have a fold on the right. And it is stars. And there's the words. Oh, here's another fabric I haven't seen. Look at this. Look at that. Lots of reds in here. Here's another one. Here's some cute little houses. And then here's some trucks. And here we have some boots, some mittens. And then last but least, poinsettias. So that is all the fabric for this box. When my daughter comes over tomorrow, I will ask her if she would like to do the complete unboxing of this, just because I know that I'm not going to do every single day I think the first one started on 9, and I'm not going to do them when they start up like that, because there's just too much other stuff that I got going on. So I'll see if she wants to help me, and then if she does, I'll do a spoiler alert so that you guys don't need to watch the video, the second one, if that's what we end up doing. Okay, that was it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Make a comment. And how many of you decided to get this box? This is my first one, and it's a major, well, it's the only Advent that I've got going on. I did buy the GE. I can't think of the other initials. And I saw that. I got an email for it and decided to get it. And then it's nothing like I thought it would be. But I'm not showing how to do the when the project comes out, and it's every Tuesday they do a video on the project in the box. So I don't open that up until the Tuesday when I come home from work. I look to see if they've got the video up. Then I open that up and look at it, and then I watch the video. But I have only made one of the things so far, and I haven't done the rest yet. So thanks everybody again for watching. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.